Imagine this. It's Saturday morning. You sit on your balcony sipping your favorite coffee as a cool breeze gently brushes your face. In the distance, you hear the quiet sound of life waking up near Signature Mall, just a short walk from your home. This is Aries Residence, a calm and peaceful place right in the middle of everything. Hello everyone, welcome to Aries Residence, where convenience meets comfort. Today I'm excited to show you what living here really feels like. It's no ordinary apartment. It's a community designed for elevated living, whether you're looking for a 1, 2 or 3 bedroom apartment. Aries Resident has something for you. Some units even come with a private DSQ. Let's go in. Now check this out. This is your living room. Bright, airy and just the right size. You can fit in an L-shaped sofa, an extra chair, and your TV stand right here. Notice the thoughtful design details like the wooden wall accent around the TV area and the dining space. They give the space a warm and modern vibe. And here's a cool touch. All apartments have an intercom system. So you can call the shopkeeper, the security team, or even check in with your friends in other units. And this floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors let in so much natural light and open up to your spacious balcony. This is the perfect spot to relax, read a book, or just enjoy some fresh air. You could even add some cozy chairs out here to make this place a little retreat. This is your dining area, which easily fits a 6-seater table, great for hosting family or friends. And I love the kitchen sliding doors. Not only does it save space, but it also adds a touch of elegance. The kitchen itself is spacious with room for a double-door fridge and tons of storage. There's a spot for your cooker, a double sink, and of course, this well-positioned window that ensures the space stays bright and well ventilated. Right here by the dining area, you have secondary access to a balcony. This one is perfect for laundry or just enjoy some stunning views, especially if you're one on the high floors. Let's explore the bedroom. First, we have the shared bathroom. It's stylish and functional with a sink, a mirror, and a shower area, separated by a glass partition, perfect for guests or for one of the bedrooms nearby. Now take a look at this. First bedroom. It's large enough to fit a 4x6 bed with plenty of space left over for bedside drawers. The large window keeps the room bright and breezy. I especially like the charcoal grey wardrobes. They contrast beautifully with the cream walls and provide plenty of storage. And here we are, the master bedroom, your personal retreat. It's spacious enough for a queen-size bed with side drawers plus room for a vanity table without feeling cramped. The ensuite bedroom comes with everything you need. A shower area, sink, mirror, and a water closet. Just like the rest of the apartments, the large windows here allow natural light to pour in, creating an inviting and a peaceful atmosphere. And yes, the wardrobes here match the design of the other rooms: sleek, elegant, and spacious. In short, Aries residence offers more than just a place to stay. It's a lifestyle with modern amenities like a clubhouse, gym, swimming pool, kids playground, and 24-hour security. You'll experience the best of comfort and convenience. Plus, being right behind Signature Mall means you're always close to shopping, dining, and entertainment. Asante sana for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep exploring.